Alibaba's official language is English, but there are options to change to any language of your choice. But in 1688, the language is strictly Chinese. That means you have to need translator for you to translate Chinese to your own language. And also in AliExpress and Taobao, AliExpress it's a global retail platform where sellers sell to consumers. We normally call it business to consumers platform. And also Taobao is also a retail platform for Chinese. That is mainly for Chinese. When you look at 1688 and Taobao, they have similarities in users they sell to, and also in Alibaba and AliExpress, they are similar to the users they sell, the customers they sell the product. So, but these four platforms, they are all owned by Alibaba Group. So don't get confused by it. You have to make your own arrangements. You have to make your own research on which platform to buy or which platform will be okay for you. And also there is a little setback for many importers in Nigeria. Whenever Alibaba is mentioned, they always think about the high minimum order quantity and also the high cost of their products. People say that in 1688 their products are cheaper as compared to Alibaba. That may be true, but there are underlying facts concerning these things. Alibaba is a worldwide platform, so every seller tries to make their products to match the quantity. In Alibaba, every seller will want their products to meet the quality control of their customers' country. So that's why products there are quite costly than what you may see in 1688. And in most cases, the products you see in Alibaba, they're also the same thing you see in 1688. I think you have to make your own research very well before choosing which platform to make. And also in AliExpress and Taobao, these two platforms, they are just retail places. You may not necessarily get items that are cheaper unless there are some items you may not see in 1688 or Alibaba, but you can find it on AliExpress. So that's how it works.